Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome. Good morning. Dynasty, hey there. What's happening? Okay, new day, new opportunities, right? All right. I guess 19,513 was too lenient. Oh yeah, a little bit. Oh my, yeah, we dropped quite a lot from there. Yeah, that 513 level, that was interesting. Look at this. You just cut through that level like, like butter. Super fast. Super fast. Okay. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame without all this stuff. We went below this wick on the 7th of June. Also went down to the daily fair value gap, which is also a bullish order block, by the way. So we are inside of a daily bullish order block. Yeah, that was a quite interesting drop. And still, look at this, we still have a gap up there at 884. So because we dropped down into the order block, which is this one starting at 29th of May. This is an order block here. We could be expecting a reaction anytime. Now, it could go down even further, or all the way maybe down to 19K, which I think it could easily do. Look at this now. And then we have a reaction, but don't forget that we are in a daily order block. So I feel like we're dropping lower. Let's quickly check the previous day low. 94. Yeah, it definitely feels like it. It definitely feels like it might want to drop lower, even down to 19K. You know, wouldn't be impossible. And by the way, this here, well, we took out Asia low at this level. Peter, hey there, good morning. I don't know what's happening with Nasdaq, but I feel like this one might want to clear out the 168. Do we have any news this morning? No news, so obviously something's going on. I don't know what's happening, but it's interesting. That's for sure. That's for sure. Does it chop after the big move? Yeah. We could be in a chop session. And look at this. Almost took out the low. Quite interesting. Quite interesting, to say the least. Gold making new highs. Very, very, very interesting. I'm not even sure how far this one wants to go. Is it want to take out the 68 level down there? Or, hard to say. Hard to say. It just wicked into this fair value gap. It might be repricing the whole thing, but it dropped like 60 points. I don't know. June, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you. How's it going? How is everybody doing? Don't forget that we've taken out the Asia lows. So I'm not even sure if this one, is this one still wants to drop or whatever hell it wants to do. I have no idea. But it does have some interesting levels, that's for sure. Oh, 450, yeah, maybe. Maybe. It feels like it wants to take out that 68. Who knows, right? So let's watch the show and see what Nasdaq wants to do. I think it would be quite interesting. Quite interesting. Look at that. The drop continues. I mean, this one was right at the kill zone where it started. Went down 50 points instantly, almost. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. Yeah, I think it might want to. Also, I would imagine that we can continue to drop to all the way down to 19K. How about that, guys? Can we drop all the way down to 19K? Is it possible? Are we ever going to start? Yeah, I don't know. A few weeks ago, not too long ago, like we were asking, are we ever going to stop going higher? And now look at that. I think it's just typical Nasdaq, you know. It's just a typical Nasdaq. Nasdaq just doing its thing, you know. Good morning, Saya. How's everybody doing? Anyway, let's watch this on the 1 minute. Are we going to... I'm not jumping into this. I'm just curious if we're going to take out that low or not. I would even imagine that we can go down to 19K. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Look at this. It's jaws dropping. Jaws dropping. Just dropping, jaws dropping. Wants to take out that low, 168. Only 10 points away. Be careful. Did the mini went lower? The low of that was 77. This was also 77, so didn't. Interesting. I have different prices on Trader Weight and then on TradingView. Interesting. Anyway, Joey, hey there. What's up? What's up? What a drop, guys. And look at that. There you go. Just like that, booyah. It goes for that level and takes it out. Just like that. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So after this, I'm wondering where are we going? I still feel like that the 19,000 is not even impossible. It's actually very much possible, even in the London session. Well, maybe not London session, but throughout the day. Why not? You know, I'm just gonna put a line there to 19,000. there. Yep, I think it's gonna happen. I think it's going to happen. And if you ask me why, because it can. Well. Surprising. Surprising. Tommy, good morning. Hey there. Mobileye, hey there. Good morning. Will you hop in when you get confirmation? I don't know. It's a little bit scary to jump in. I do like the 19,000. I'm not saying we're going there right now, but if I have a confirmation, I always tell you guys if I'm hopping into a trade. I mean, not always. Actually, I'm lying. I'm a liar. I got that the other day. I'm a liar. So sometimes I do jump in without notifying you guys, but but yes, of course, I'm gonna tell you guys if I jump in, definitely. Jose, hey there. Jose Flores, what a sell-off. Yeah, quite interesting, right at the London kill zone. I mean, we dropped almost 100 points since the kill zone started. How much did we drop? I mean, since the midnight level, we dropped 110 points. Since the kill zone started, we dropped 76 points. Pretty much unusual for Nasdaq in London. So yeah, I'm wondering. All markets are dropping. Let's see what's happening with Nvidia. Extended trading hours. Nvidia is up there still. Tesla is holding. Well, it dropped a little bit as well. But yeah, quite a drop. So on the 5-minute, it's dropping. Simon, hey there. Nearly filled market gap from June 10. Was there? I haven't even checked June 10. US equities open at 4 a.m. Oh yeah. We're gonna watch for that. Yeah. Dropping and no entry. No, unfortunately, no. I wish I could tell. I mean, I'd like to see some structure forming. Careful with the long positions, guys. Rob, hey there. Good to see you. Rob Moores, welcome. How did yesterday treat you? Yesterday was great. I made a few $100s on, I think $300 on one of my Bulenox funded accounts, but it's a new account, so basically a long way to go there. Otherwise, I made another 100 on another Bulenox account, which has already got a payout, and $1,000 on an evaluation. So nothing out of the, I mean, nothing superb, but it was okay. Yesterday was an okay. Oh, and I passed another Apex account. So currently I have, how many Apex accounts do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 funded accounts. 4 Apex funded accounts I have currently. I had more, but I blew one. So yeah. So I did something interesting with one of my new Apex funded accounts. I chose the monthly $85 fee. And I might going to keep things a little bit aggressive on that account. I'll see. I don't know. Yeah, profitable days are good, but I don't know yet what should I do, because I have 10 funded accounts across multiple prop firms, and I'm not sure how to handle it properly. Of course, I do need to flip them once every week just to make sure, especially with MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures funded account, you have to flip the account once every week. That's necessary. So I'm not sure how to trade them. I'm trading actively 2 or 3 funded accounts, and the rest of the funded accounts are just left there doing nothing, you know, for backup, for safety. But I think I should be working on those funded accounts too. For example, now I have three Apex funded accounts with 50K and nothing, no movement. So I have like 2 Bulenox accounts with no trades on it. So I have to do something. All right, we're repricing this drop. It seems like it. It seems like it. Let's see if it wants to go up there and take out the Asia highs. I'm wondering if it will do. Looks like it wants to go higher. It's a nice problem to have, having too many funded accounts. I'm working on having the same issue. Yeah, it's a good problem. It's a good problem, actually. Honestly, let's look at that. I have TradeAway funded account too with MyFundedFutures. I have TopStep. Oh, I have to trade on my TopStep account as well. So I have to find out a system. I have to go with a system of how to manage all these accounts together. All right, look at that. We're going back. Nice. Could this be a V-shape formation? I wonder. 5-minute is repricing at this moment. Good morning, Martin. How's it going? I'm searching for trades, but so far there's nothing. Push the like button, guys, by the way, please. Help out the channel and push the like. You know. Let's make some profits. Let's make some profits. All right, it seems like it's going up. 1 hour seems like a little bit of a boom, wick, fake out. Now it feels like it just wants to go up there. What is this line? Oh yeah, I know what it is. So, yeah, look at that. We're going back up. But how far? How far can we go? I don't think we're gonna go back to that gap. How far is that gap? We might have to go back all the way to the 600s maybe. I don't know, man. That would be way higher. Let me check it. I don't know. Maybe the 500s. Could be. Could be. If this was it meant to be like a fake out and then put everyone up there. I think at some stage I will have to get Quant Hour so I can trade. Yeah, yeah, that's why I chose Quant Hour too. V-shape recovery for sure, no pullback. 1K, thank you. There you go, Joey. Printing money. 3-year plan, good morning. Joey has printed money already. Let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, kind of like a V-shape recovery here. I wonder how far this can go if it tends to be just a fake out. But this long wick here, this long wick candle, well, I don't know. 378 up there would be the next 1 hour fair value gap. 370. What's the high of this? 380. Maybe. Don't know. Not sure. Not sure. Have to wait, I guess. All right. Let's look at the lower time frames. Interesting move, that's for sure. Kind of like a Judas swing, but London hasn't been open yet, so. It just seems to be moving well lately. Yeah, there were some good movements. I saw that. I opened up the charts and I saw some good action there. All right, let's see. Is this going to be a pullback or is it going to continue or just reprise the whole thing, whatever? I don't know. Not sure. It could drop. I don't see any good targets to go for. But this was an interesting move. I have to admit. You get on earlier before. Sorry, I didn't read that. I do get up during the Asia session, so I usually get up around 5 to 6 a.m., which is at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So midnight or 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So sometimes I do see the moves if I just sit down early at the computer, but I don't usually trade. Actually, not just usually. I never put a trade during the Asia session, but I used to study Asia session. Yeah, Asia high is a good target if this move is really about faking out everyone. So we'll see. Where's Asia high? Above the 300s somewhere. But if we go to 300, can easily take out that 1 hour wick. So just saying. Wow, yeah. 270 could be a good short. Yeah, could be. If we anticipate the 19,000, absolutely. Hey, Abs. After yesterday, I got wrecked by market. Oh, yeah. The best thing. I'm sorry to hear that, Abs, but you know it's best to step away for a little bit. You know, recharge, reevaluate, and move on. That's what you can do. Well, good. Risk management is definitely very strict. So, yeah, I imagine that many of you guys are absolutely know what to do, how to read the market and see those levels. I think 95% or 98% of the time, our own emotions are screwing up everything. So it's getting better. Yeah, all right. So if we would learn how to deal with emotions, for example, the hardest thing for me emotionally in trading is to deal with losses. It's very, very hard to deal with losses. I know it's hard for everyone, of course, but for me, it's particularly hard, especially, for example, I'll give you an example. If I make some profits throughout the day, London and New York, I make some, you know, decent profit. And by some crazy move or decision, I lose those profits. Or even more, I go down to a drawdown. Now that is something I can't put myself through it. It's so hard to deal with that, you know, because I'm not just seeing the profit. I'm seeing the time and the work that I put in since the London morning to the trade, and giving it back to the market at the end of the day is something like it totally messes up my mind. And that's the thing, when I go to tilt, it clicks something and I just go do crazy things. I should just walk away then, I know, but it's super hard to walk away. Yeah, that's the worst feeling. Yeah, I agree. 3-year plan. Going from green to red at the end of the day, I think it's like, yeah, it's the worst thing. It's the worst thing. Especially if you were really focusing throughout the London session. You know you were focusing on the London and the New York session, and maybe sometime in the New York session at the end of your day or whatever, you just give it back by some stupid trade or whatever. Or maybe you executed a good trade, an A+ setup, but it went against you and you just gave back some of your profits or majority of your profits. That is actually sucks. That's a very, very bad feeling. So that's why, you know, if you make some profits throughout the day on your evaluation or funded account, whatever, there's two things, and I have to convince myself to walk away. That's one thing, or trade on a different account. Just leave that account alone. Walk away or trade on a different account. Or if you don't want to trade on an evaluation or funded account, and if you still want to trade, just paper trade wherever, TradingView or demo account, whatever. Just don't abuse that account that you made those profits. Anyway, exactly, Rob, exactly. And that's the best answer I can go with. I hate that so when I give back the profit, it's not all about the profit in my head. It's about the time. I wasted my time the whole day. I wasted my time during London or New York. I wasted my whole time, hours and hours of focusing, doing good trades, and then the end of the day, I just give it back. And the biggest problem is wasting. That time is wasted because of some stupid decision or angry revenge trading, whatever. I wasted my time. That's the most painful. Bank 1200. Nice. There you go, Dynasty. Congratulations. 1200 on this move. Nice one. It's the unique job. Yeah. The market is so bearish. It's not really very clear on any bias for me. How about you guys? Well, I have no bias right now. This was at this moment like a fake out move. That doesn't mean we're not going to go back down. I don't see anything that interests me here. There is a bullish order block here on the 1 minute. That's interesting. How far is this? It's at 45. That's a bullish order block. Careful, guys. Careful, careful. Could go back down there. If it wants to drop. At least it feels like a bullish order block. Might go down into it. Starts at 35-ish area. Otherwise, I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Yeah, that kills me. Yeah, you can never get back that time. Yeah, you can make profits as you know, of course, but that time is wasted. That time is wasted. You threw that out the window, and that's the problem. And I hate to waste my time. It's a unique job where you can lose more of the afternoon than you make all week. Oh, definitely. Definitely. Why, the good morning, Yoregat. Ati, good morning. 19,650 today. Not sure. Maybe, you know. We can go all the way up. There's a 1 hour fair value gap at 380. I'm gonna actually put it there. And what else? So that's the buy side liquidity on the 1 hour, but as you can see, this is just wicked out the Asia lows, so I don't know what to think anymore of this move. Not sure. It might want to take out that 1 minute bullish order block. But on the bigger time frames, you know, after this huge drop, I think still a lot of people are going to focus on that gap since Tuesday up there. I know people are still watching that level and will be watching that level. So that's going to be an interesting place to go to. If we go there, not today, I think, but who knows, Nasdaq can do surprises. But I can imagine that we go to the 380s today. If not, then we should continue down to 19,000. So I don't have anything yet. As I said, we have this bullish order block here. We'll see. Got my entry and first 45 ticket profits. Oh, nice, Martin. It's getting well. All right. Well, you know, I'm gonna let you know that this is my first day on my brand new MyFundedFutures funded account, and I already made not too much, but $228. So there's a lot to go, but it's still great. I'm trading on TradeAway now, currently. So this account is up today $228. So it was a good one so far. Don't ask me why I'm on TradeAway. Actually, I bought this by accident. I haven't checked on it and I stuck with TradeAway, but it's all right. TradeAway is good too. I like TradeAway is fine. We done something yesterday. Maybe today could be a consolidation day. Could be a consolidation, Pablo. Yeah. Or retracement, taking into account that tomorrow is PC. Yeah, exactly, Pablo. Trading is the toughest roller coaster. Oh yeah. It's going to teach you what kind of person you are. I would also say one day over the moon. Exactly. Emotional. Oh, yeah. Have it down. Have your composure. Thank you. Thank you, Rob. Well, you know, the thing is, I think trading is going to show what kind of person you are. I mean, not just in a bad way, but it's going to reflect on your flaws. It's going to teach you for patience, for discipline. Even if you fail many times, eventually it's going to burn into your brain how to be patient and more disciplined. And it definitely taught me some things when I was broke, totally, like broke, super broke, when I couldn't buy food because I lost my money in Forex broker years ago. Not with preference, but with a Forex broker. And it definitely humbled me, totally. The market definitely humbled me and said, you know, anyway, that's another story. So physical pain, actual physical chest pains, you know, when you lose your savings on a Forex brokerage account. Guys, I wish nobody of you would experience that. So don't experience it. But I lost my savings on Forex brokerage account because I was a stupid idiot. I still am, but not that much. and I was feeling actual chest pains. I was feeling physical pain. That's how the market teaches everybody, you know. Waiting it for go weave up. Yeah, the weave up actually that held it. Above 250 we go up. Down below 230 could be. I'm gonna be looking, if it's gonna turn out to bullish, I'm gonna be looking for the 380 level. So, but yeah, lose 20,000 saving also in 1 month. Oh, Eduardo, then you know, Eduardo, brother, you know, I lost about, well, from my personal savings in 2018 until the end of 2019, so that's roughly almost 2 years. So I didn't lose it in 1 day, but I lost about $40,000, $40 or $50,000, and that was my savings. So I always deposited another $3,000, another $5,000. I blow the account, I deposited another $5,000, and so on and so on. And I realized by the end of 2019, I deposited more than $50,000, not prop firm, personal account. And, you know, by the pandemic came in 2020, I knew I burned up all my savings. I sold my and after that came the next level. I sold my cars as well, and I lost that too, the car money. I lost the money from my cars. I also deposited. So absolute, guys, I was a gambling addict. Not really, I didn't really lose it in 1 day, but I didn't know what to do. You know, when I deposited $5,000 to my account, there always comes a new hope, you know, like a new hope. Okay, this $5,000, I'm going to make it, you know, I'm going to be all right. And then, you know, sometime I did manage to keep it for a month or 6 weeks or whatever. And then, you know, I snapped, tilted, and, you know, just traded it away. Anyway, long story. Physical pains, guys. I was done. Yeah, I mean, it made me stronger. Yeah, it made me stronger. Anyway, since then, after the pandemic came to an end, somewhere around 2021, I already knew that there was prop firms. So around 2021, I started with prop firms, and 2022, I started with all the city capital with 15,000, but that was a monthly fee to pay, £200 per month, not dollar, pounds, for a $15,000 account. Of course, I blew it. And in 2022 with FTMO, and got funded with FTMO. I blew the funded account in 1 week or something like that. So, and it was 2-phase, and it was a time limit. So 30 days to pass the account. 30 days, not like now, like unlimited days or anything. And the second phase went through, and I blew the account in 1 week. And so on. So it was a learning curve. It was, but I'm not giving up. I know your life story. There you go, Robert. So when I started streaming last year, I didn't really have, I mean, I had a job with an insurance company, which I made only enough money to survive every month. And I started streaming, and Now I'm full-time streaming, but not making a living from trading. I always say that. And I could not do this without you guys, so I told this too. Without the affiliate commissions, I could not be here today. Without the affiliate commissions to pay my bills. That's it. All right. Let's see what's happening. Ba-da-bum. This is our year. Absolutely, guys. Yeah. Absolutely. We need to be successful. The stream helped you to be more serious? Yes, it did, Eduardo. The stream helped me to be a little bit more disciplined. The stream helps me to do a little bit better analysis because we talk about the setups. We talk about everything. And it's a good thing I can talk with you guys about trading because obviously, I mean, I have a few friends, not too much, but in real life around me, there is zero, almost like nobody I can talk to trading. Nobody. If I start talking trading, everybody just freaks out. And you know, if I was talking about quantum physics or whatever, and like, okay guys, okay, it doesn't matter. I can't talk about trading with anybody. So, NQ needs to come back down and test that Asia low. Oh yeah, it needs to. It needs to. Needs to come back down and test that Asia low now for an entry. Yeah, depends. You know, it made a low. This is almost like a bullish breaker here. I wonder if it's going to escalate higher. You know, if it does, well, what's the Asia high here? That would be at 300, right? Somewhere there. I'm guessing. Not sure though. But it could be there. Does it want to take out the Asia high? I don't know if it would be a better entry. That's true. Hey Dominic, I'm working without a day off, so the box is still closed. All right, Dominic. I'm waiting for that video. Today the stream, tomorrow 40k payouts. Oh yeah. Well, we're aiming for that. Sorel, let's go. Let's go. The ultimate goal is to learn this skill. Of course, the biggest challenge is going to be how to deal with losses. If we learn that, I think it's true for all of us. If we learn how to deal with losses, because losses are part of this game, then that's it. That's the key. One of the key. There's some profit taking here. Oh yeah, there's definitely some profit taking here. Yeah, market should decide if it wants to go for that 300 or just gonna turn back down, you know. Good morning, Congo. We bought 250k account. Nice, the best code for Bulenox. Thank you, Congo, for the support. Thank you so much for using it. Thank you, thank you. You know, if you use the code tomsabo for any of these platforms, it's definitely giving you a little bit of an extra. So, still rejecting yesterday close for now. Yeah, it's quite interesting. It got above the VWAP. So, if this one's gonna hold it, We might even see the Asia highs at 300-ish level. Fast track trading, no, I didn't try them yet. No. One of the reasons is that I have 10 funded accounts right now. Well, actually activated 8, but I still have 2 more which is not activated. So I have overall 10 funded accounts across multiple prop firms, and I'm only trading like 2 or 3 funded accounts right now. So this is right now is enough for me. First, I need to make some payouts from these funded accounts first. So not that I couldn't buy one if I want to, but I'm overloaded with funded accounts to my standards. I know some other traders are having 100 funded accounts and 300 funded accounts, and everybody's having 200 everybody's copy trading 20 Apex accounts every day, every new day, almost a new 20. but I'm fine. So I mean, I will try them. I might try them, but hopefully they will implement the credit card payment too soon. We do have a link for them, by the way, in the description somewhere. Look at that, repricing this area, getting below the weave up. Below the weave up. Okay. There's actually a bullish order block at 34. I don't know if it wants to go for it, but there is one. Might want to. Just not sure. But it broke lower. We still have London open, close, ahead of us. No, there's I don't have an affiliate code. I was asking for an affiliate code and they told me I will only get a code if people are using my links for more than $5,000 in sales. And that's what the answer was. So I said, all right, no issue, no problem. I can live with that. So that's it. Well, it's fine. It's fine. FTT needs credit card. Yeah, that would be better. Yeah. Let's split my 20 Apex at 5 groups. Now that's a good idea, Saya. She started to get to my head. Yeah, that's actually a good risk management there. Fast track trading. Yes. They said if I can make $5,000 worth of accounts, so that's like about 10 or 11 accounts. 11, sorry, maybe 12. I don't know. In sales, if I can generate that much sales through my referral link, then I could be getting a custom code. But that's it. So you need to make 5K for them before being affiliate. No, not really. If someone is using my referral link, I can still get some commission. I think I haven't got any commission with them yet. I mean, not on the web office or the back office as well. I registered, but I didn't even look that much into it, to be honest. So of course, because I make this for a living, if I can grab a few dollars here and there from affiliate commissions, yes, of course. But I haven't really looked into it. So, but that's what they said. So, I don't think infrastructure will implement credit card as soon as they have issues this time. Will the accounts refunded? Maybe, maybe, yeah. If they blow their accounts, that's a good observation. Then a few people might gonna get some chargebacks. You know, they have to work on that issue. London Open is less than 4 minutes. They don't have enough capital, maybe. I don't know. No credit card red flag. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's a good business idea to have a prop firm that's actually giving you instant funded accounts. I like the concept, to be honest. I like the concept for more skilled traders, or if you feel that you are skilled enough. I think it's a very good concept to have a prop firm like this. So the idea, I like it, and I hope that they will succeed. But not having credit card payments, and you know, I don't know. And the Tron coin thing, that's also like a little bit of a interesting. The other day I was listening to a Twitter space, not Twitter space, Discord, whatever, I don't know, it was from MyFundedFutures, and they were talking about that you can actually make a prop firm from $3,000, a futures prop firm, I think, or maybe it was Forex. I think they were saying futures. You can start a prop firm with $3,000 from your basement if you want to. Of course, if you know where to go to for the back-end technology, because you'd obviously need a third-party provider with the data and the back-end and everything. You just have to build a website and a logo or a brand. That's your job. But you can actually start a prop firm with that low capital. Did you try the footprint candles on TradingView? No, not yet. Not yet. I really have a strategy on demo. I can hold on live. Yeah, the magic is different on live or funded, whatever. It's interesting. Bob, hey there. Camille, who this? What's happening, Camille? Good to see you. By the way, price should be getting down to 42 to reprice this void here. Just saying. Gold is down. Oh, I haven't even looked at gold too much. Let me check. Oh yeah, look at gold. What is this here? This is a bearish order block on gold. Look at this. Pretty much sideways. Sideways movement. I'm gonna paper trade this. I'm gonna I'm just gonna paper trade this. I'm gonna find out something. If I can go for this. I have a, I'm not saying strategy, but I'm testing something, sorta, in paper trading. What did I just do? Oh yeah, I lost the trade. Yeah, yesterday. So I'm gonna paper trade this to go along. VWAP in Quant Hour need to pay. I don't know because I don't put it on in Quant Hour, so I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I think it's in the additional feature. I don't know. Hold on. Hold on. Kevin, hey there. Gold is down this morning. It was down. The yesterday gap we saw was runaway gap. Well, you can call it whatever, but it was definitely an interesting scenario. Why are we humans scared of money? Who programmed this way? Yeah, it's a bad programming to our nature. Oh, this is GC. GC. Hold on. GCQ. No, GCN is the July. Right now I'm just using the exclamation mark version from TradingView because it always puts me on the new contract, but otherwise I think it's the GCN. GCN or Q, one of those two, but I think we might be on the N. Sorry, Q. I think it's GCQ already. Do you think Matt and Patrick make more than 100K affiliates? Oh, definitely they do. They do. They do. Absolutely. Everybody's using Patrick Whelan's code anyway. So, and Methodical Man told me a few weeks ago that he thinks that Patrick Whelan makes $500,000. Again, I'm saying it out, $500,000. That's what Mitch said. I don't think so that he makes that much money, but I mean a monthly basis, but I can imagine that Patrick Whelan makes around $200,000 per month or more from affiliate commissions. Something like that, you know. 200, 250K he has to make just from affiliate commissions. Even Methodical Man also says that I'm underestimating the number. Patrick Whelan has to make $400,000 or $500,000 a month only from affiliate commissions. I don't know. Obviously, if I calculate with the numbers of his YouTube channel, his live viewers, you know, and this is not even from selling his course. This is only from affiliate commissions, not trading, not selling the course, just from affiliate commissions, just from using his code. $500,000 per month. No wonder he's buying a Lambo for cash, you know. Why wouldn't he? Yeah, trading. Yeah. Okay, so Q. It's the Q. All right. All right, look at that. We went down. We might be taking out this bullish order block under 1 minute. You know. London Open could be tricky. Could be tricky. Shifted lower, obviously. Could be taking out that 215 level. I'm not in a trade. I don't see yet where could I jump in, but you know, this is a tempting short opportunity. This short is actually very tempting. I'm tempted to jump in. for a nice healthy 10 points or whatever. I don't know. Let's see if it wants to take out that level or not. Yeah, it just took it out. It just took it out. Like that. Just like that. Booyah. It took it out. If you made 3,000 before and you have 3,000 subscribers and he has 100k more subscribers, it's very possible. Yeah, but it depends on your how active is your channel. I mean, how active is your community? You know, there are some minor numbers about those people. How many people of that is the core? You know, because you know, I was not learning, but I was reading quite much about online marketing, you know, cost per average ratios and, you know, core buyers and, you know, memberships and stuff like that, all these things. I also have books with online sales and marketing. For example, here's the book Expert Secrets. It's about online marketing. So I was reading books about this, and all I can tell you is that yes, he has subscribers, but that doesn't necessarily mean that his active community is that much higher. So there is some how do they say it? I have to find Google Translate because I can't find the word. Attrition? Is that a word? Attrition. There is some attrition of people, you know, but still, I agree. Actually, he has 250, so yes, he makes that amount. There is some attrition with the core members. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. He had 4 weeks of up market. Yeah, we will have 4 weeks of down market. Could be. We could go down to 19k. Super easy. I get Patrick's promotional emails from only prop firms. Oh, me too. I unsubscribed, but it keeps coming. I don't know how. It keeps coming. But I did unsubscribe, but I still kept receiving it. I don't know how I did that, but spell the word. Attrition. Okay, so there is an attrition of people. Yeah. Attrition. That's why he sells the dream. Yeah. So the numbers are not, you know, equally adding up. Like it's not that simple. There is attrition of people. That's the word. Sorry about that. There is an attrition of the core people, the core fans. And yes, he definitely makes way times more money than me or Methodical Man or whoever, but not exactly the same times more as more subscriber he has on the channel. So that's why I'm not I can't believe that he makes 500,000, but I can imagine that he makes 250k per month. That is something I can imagine, only from affiliate commissions, purely just from affiliate commissions. 250ks, I can imagine that, but I don't see the 500k adding up. Attrition, yeah, it could go back up there, you know, because if you look at the 1 hour, now the wick has been partially repriced, and I don't have an entry still, so I would jump in if I see something, guys, but I just don't see anything. I would like to go long. I'm scared to go short, especially below this level at 156. I like the Asia highs. Actually, let me put a marker right there. So yeah, I can do this. Asia high is at 304. I would say this. Buy side liquidity. Asia high. So I like that level up there. I'm not saying I'm bullish biased for the day, but or you can just get Apex to give you 1.2 million. Apex gave 1.2 million to trades by Matt. Did they really do that? I never heard of that. Did they really give 1.2 to trades by Matt? That's interesting. Took long from 188 TP at Asia high. Let's go with micro. Let's go. Let's do it. You know, do it. DEW, do it. Actually, that's a good idea for merchandise. Do it. Yeah, that's interesting. Book it. Yeah. Because I'm cycle using the cycle lines. Maybe. Anyway, I'm actually, if I want to look for some scalp trades, and by the way, I scalped again a little bit on the TradeAway account, but by the time I would have told this to you guys, the trade would have already gone. But I think I'm done for the day with this funded account. I'm up 400. Today I'm up 474. It's a brand new funded account. $474 today. So I'm not trading this account today anymore. This is it. Almost $500 on a brand new funded account. That's it. I'm closing this out, and boom, there. I'm not trading it. It's gone. It's gone. And it's gone. And it's gone. TopStep is getting rid of their daily loss limit pretty soon. Oh, that's good. That's good. I heard that too. Some rumors were circulating. If they do that, that's actually giving a lot of freedom for people. So I'm looking forward to that. That would give a lot of freedom. 203.25 is previous day settlement. So here they will decide if NQ will be navigated or positive. Yeah, that's a good, Zach, that's a good observation. I think so too. It should be a decision point right now. Either we continue down to the 19K, or they will put it up there and going for some retracement. Also, don't forget that there is, if you guys want to scalp, there is a bearish order block at 226. I might jump in, but I don't know. What's that level? Come on. Yeah. I'm jumping into a scalp here. I think. Yeah, I jumped into a scalp. I'm going for 24.50. I don't have a stop loss on this one yet. This is the trade. I don't have a stop loss yet, but I'm going to put a stop loss. It's going to be a hard stop. So I might even going to put it to break even. $24. All right, this is it. I'm putting it to break even and I'm closing it. That's it. Anyway, should have reached that TP. And it was with one mini. 345 bucks. Nice. That's a good one. All right, so it went to the order block. That's why I like to scalp the order blocks. That one right there. It was a good trade. If you see an order block with the displacement, and you have to watch the candles, how they're printing. And if you suddenly see it's going to the area, I mean, you have to use a tight stop. And if it takes you out, it takes you out. So the win-loss ratio is maybe not the best. But if it starts to move, it should be touching the order block very soon. And look at that. There's another order block. No, it's not. I thought that this is an order block. For me, this here is not a valid order block. So that's not an order block to me. The reason for that is it's not taking liquidity here with this wick. That's not. It's not really shifting the market because it's wicking it out. So no clean displacement. So this one is not a real order block on the 1 minute. That's something I like. Yeah, these are the type of trades. And by the way, it's on the 1 minute. It should be very fast. So you should not be sitting in this for an hour or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If you see something like this and price wants to return to this level, then these moves should not take more than a few minutes. If it's not going your way and it starts to consolidate, just close it. Even if it goes to your TP level, no problem. If it starts to consolidate, then just leave it. But at this example, it turned out quite good. So I liked it. This is how I was scalping $2,000 only on an evaluation account the other day with one mini. Just using one single mini, not 5 or DCAing or whatever, just with one mini. And you know, yes, they will let people set their own daily loss. Oh, that's awesome. 1.2 million plus affiliate commission sounds like a great deal. Is that confirmed? Is that a fact? They did really give that money to Trades by Matt? Because, you know, with that kind of money, I would be making a tattoo on my forehead for that prop firm, you know. Marco, good morning. How's it going? How's it going? Hope you had a good profitable day yesterday, Marco. And don't forget, guys, Take Profit Trader is ending the no activation fee promo on Sunday. So if you guys want to grab some Take Profit Trader accounts with no activation fee until you don't, I mean, for lifetime until you keep the subscription, then you have time until Sunday. I know a code that's working for it. Okay. Both got around 1.2 million from Apex. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. I mean, I know Patrick Whelan told that he's making only a small portion of trading, but still. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this move. Same, all right. Very good, all right. They for sure gonna do some new promo. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. I mean, Take Profit Trader is definitely attractive because of their payout policy. And so far, the no activation fee promo was, I think it's a very good idea for a prop firm. Look at this. It's going down. By the way, oh yeah, it has already been mitigated. So order block started here. Now it's coming down. Seems like it wants to take it out. Yeah, look at that. I'm not jumping in. I'm not. I just can't. I don't see it. Yeah, Patrick Whelan is king of the affiliates. But I mean, good for him. God bless him and make him a lot of money. I mean, I have no nothing against that. But it's just amazing how these big deals are happening with prop firms. Daily payouts are 300, 400K per day. Wow. That is awesome, right? I haven't checked the numbers lately. He's good. Yeah. I'm not saying he's a bad trader, by the way. Obviously, he can trade. So, no question about that. No question about that. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. All right, it seems like maybe we're gonna target the 19K. It seems like. Okay. 1 hour lows are pretty much targeted here. $1.4 on 150K. Hey, József. Gratulálok. Congratulations for a fellow Hungarian trader. 1.4K on a PA account. Guys, I have to give an applause. It was on a PA account. I have to give an applause for that. That's a nice result. Congratulations. What's the indicator putting those fair value gaps? Oh yeah, sure. So this indicator, I don't know who showed this. Maybe it was Paul, I think, or I don't remember exactly who showed this, but it's called Lux Algo fair value gap. If you just type in fair value gap to the indicators, you just choose Lux Algo. So fair value gap. And there it is. I am going to put it to favorites. Fair value gap Lux Algo. That's the one. And you can play with the settings, I guess. You're welcome. Oh, you're welcome. Good morning, Isham. Trading Star, good to see you. What's happening? I'm gonna do a sound effect for Bill Lumberg from Office Space. Hold on. Oh, this is display capture. Okay, now you guys don't see anything. Why the hell is this is not working? What happened to the screen? What happened to the screen? I messed it up. Okay, now it's back. You're welcome, Naomi. Lost, hey there. You shorted? Yeah, a good chance. Good chance. You might go down to that fair value gap at 179. And, you know, take out these lows. I'm scared to short here. I mean, I know I don't have a setup, basically. But hey, let's go. TP 160. Should be fine. I think. Let's see. I'm watching the price action at the moment till it gives a potential setup. Yeah. It's not my money. That's what Apex is for. Yeah, that's a good observation. Yeah. So what's happening? What's happening? That's why I said it's Bill Lumbergh from Office Space. You guys know that movie, Bill Lumbergh? He's always asking, what's happening? This is it. This is it.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
What's happening? What's happening? All right. What the hell is going on with Nasdaq? Somebody tell me, because I don't know. I'm not in a trade or anything. It's just hard to figure out the nature of all this. Undecisive. Actually bullish, bearish order block here. So it might be good for 10 points to go to 22, just saying. I'm not saying it would, but it might could. Also, I'm starting to realize one good way would be to reduce, to reduce the revenge trading factor is to cut losses much earlier, or much more earlier, you know. That would be a good thing. Oh, look at this. All right, It might going to, yeah, so it's repricing the 1 minute gap right now. It took liquidity from this gap down there. It's really hard to decide what Nasdaq wants to do here. Could go lower. Taking out 156 maybe, I guess. Anyway. What if we go down way more to the 19K? Trading is hard. Hard in gambling. I mean, more money in online blackjack. Lost all on Apex. Oh no. Stopped out 50% profit. Well, up to the next one. You know what they say. Just passed another Bulenox combine. Let's go, best DJ in town. Congratulations. Applause for passing the account. That's a good job there. Very, very, very good job. Still don't know what the heck this one wants to do. Could be just repricing that low, and now it wants to go higher. It's a little bit consolidated. We are in discount area, but I would be careful at this area. That's for sure. Trying to focus on the chart if I see anything for a scalp, but not much. Oh, no more 50K. Let's go. You know, the best, you have to go with the thing that suits you the best. DJ, what's happening? Good to see you. El Corazon. It's manipulating, but the next is Asia High. Could be. I don't know. It picked up liquidity basically from everywhere. So it really has to make a decision. Either way, it's going to drop or go for those highs. I don't know. It has to make the decision soon. It feels like it might want to go lower. Could be wrong. But you know, it definitely picked up liquidity from all over the place. And it feels heavy. Feels a little bit heavy, to be honest. I'm not sure how far it wants to go. Try point of control indicator. All right. Steering along. This game is all about statistics, value area, point of control. Yeah, I studied them, and I think they're good. I mean, you can definitely make money with it, you know. Now I'm just checking if I see anything that this one can go for. Obviously, it's stuck in this range. Whoa, thank you for the subscription. Avez Ahmed, we have the 2700-ish subscriber. Is that the way to say it? Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the stream. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. What can I say? Definitely stuck here. It's gonna go sideways a little bit more, I think. But as soon as we see a direction, you know, that will be awesome. It's just chop fest right now. No direction. Just chop festing. By the way, yeah, we're still in this bullish order block. There's a bullish order block right here on the 1 minute, which is holding for now. If this one's gonna hold, that we should be breaking above 37. But if you zoom out to the 5 minute, you see that we're barcoding again. So no target right now. All I had is that small little scalp thingy. And that's it. Mamba Fox, hey, good to see you. What's happening? What's happening? Hey Tom, can you find someone I can trade with online? I have my own working strategy. Problem, I can't really manage risk. I don't know what to say, you know, Komodo. I mean, it's a tough thing, you know. It's depends on the person. For example, I mean, of course, I'm doing the stream and I'm trading. But sometimes when I focus, I don't really like to talk. So there may be some other people who like to talk while trading, and I don't know. So I mean, no, I like to talk, but you know, listening to someone while he or she is talking, and to understand the conversation while focusing on the trade is a little bit extra, especially if you're scalping or doing short-term trades. It's a little bit easier that I just read the chat, as you guys can see it. So I focus on the trade, I put on a trade, and then I read the chat, and then I can react. But in an active conversation, it could be a little bit, I don't know. So if I know someone, I would say I want to try out something on the Discord, but I haven't tried it yet. I'm just talking about it. Is to open the voice chat room, and I'll be there all during the off-stream sessions, looking for some trades. But I don't know how that would work out. Just one person. Yeah. What time frame were you on when you made 2000? I was on the 1 minute, and the targets were placed on the 1 minute / 5 minute chart. The last 15-minute candle is decided. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Isham is willing to help out. That's a good idea. I'm just on my own Discord. I mean, it's a paid Discord, and I know already that we're going to do a free Discord. I haven't done it yet. It's $10 a month, but it's only a few people there. But we have some educational material, some trade setups, and some good people supporting. So it's a small Discord that I have. But so no huge promises on my Discord, but we have some good people, a few good people there. I don't know what this one wants to do, but obviously we don't have a clear target, so that's why I'm not engaging to anything. There's just no clear target. So the more I look at it, the more I know is that I just don't. The last one I saw is this one, and I took it. But now there's just nothing I see. Like NQ is just unplugged, and gold is making some highs, so that's interesting. There is a bullish order block on gold. Which is actually down there at 73. I might want to paper trade that. Yeah. Paper trading this with a wide stop. This is just paper trading. I'm testing out something. I don't even know. Oh, I lost the previous one. Great. So I don't know how this is going to work out. This is just paper trading. Yeah, I'm going to drag it. Man, it's Discord. I'm also on a bunch of other Discords. Oh, there you go. How long you trade, Kamado? 3 years. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, man. That's great. Antonio, hey. Welcome. How you doing, Antonio? What's happening? You know, I was trying to look for some trades, guys, but there's obviously nothing. There is a bearish order block starting at 208. Not that strong. Well, actually, that's not a bearish order block. Never mind. That's not a bearish order block. Great, great. All right. By the way, guys, please, if you would like to help out the stream, please push the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. Also, if you would like to support, don't forget, my code works everywhere. You can use tomsabo for Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, Apex, and MyFundedFutures to get the best discount. And TopStep gives you an additional 20% if you use my link to register for a new account. Thank you so much. Don't forget, Bulenox sale ends at the end of the month. Also, Take Profit Trader sale ends on Sunday. So right now there is no activation fee. They said that's going to be the last day for the no activation fee accounts. So just saying. Apex does the sale, $40 for big accounts on 150k, 250k, and 300k accounts only for $40, and $85 activation fee for lifetime. Thank you. Tom, can he send me mid Discord? Sure. Let me grab it. Isham, let me put you as an admin. All right, just give me a second. I have to log into chat. I have to log in there. Add as standard mod. All right, Isham, now you can send a link. Let's see. Wait long from 19168. Let's go. Let's go. Or you guys can share an email, maybe. If you want to post it here, you guys can send an email, share an email, maybe. Just an idea. But I added Isham as a mod, so. All right. What's going on? Look at that. Gold is still hovering there. It should take the 2373 area. I'm gonna put the stop lower. There's a bullish order block there. NQ is going lower. If it's not displaying the email, try to put your name and the @ sign, you know, just put a space in between or whatever. Favor Benjamin, hey. Let's see. It's going lower. Gold took out that bullish order block. So again, this worked. This one here. No, I was paper trading gold, but I was just curious of something. But this here has been taken out, so it worked out fine. Holy Grail, no other trades. The only trade I took is this one, this scalp. And earlier I was scalping the brand new funded account from MyFundedFutures. Oh, there you go. Now Isham has it. Let's go. That's for Methodical Man. Anyway. Oh, look at that. Now it's dropping. Now it, well, not saying it was a huge drop, but it's dropping. Okay, so that's your, okay. All right, Isham. We have a paid membership, but Komodo, I can, if you send me an email, I'm gonna gather a few of your email addresses so I can put you into a free chat room. All right. Let me type my email here, and I'm gonna put you guys in a free chat room. All right. Here. If you send me an email, I'm gonna gather you guys together, and I'm gonna make a free room where we can chat later on. I'm doing it after stream or something. All right. We can do that. We can absolutely do it. Do it, you know. Do it. I'm admin of the Discord link. I'm admin of the Discord link I sent. Oh, okay. All right, all right. I haven't even opened up my Discord yet. No, I haven't. Damn, I have to open Discord. All right, let's open Discord. Okay, gold is going higher again. Amazing how these small order blocks are being reacted to. Oh, you're still downloading. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I have to go out for a few minutes to look for, anyway, just a few minutes. I'll be right back. Let's look for some entries. Don't go away, push the like, subscribe, and I'll be back, and we're gonna continue watching for trades. All right, I have to take care of something. It's just a few minutes. We're back. We are back. Hey Alicia, sorry I was out from the house, had to move the car, but I'm here now. We're back. Officially. Ta-dum, 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 ta-da-da-da-dum. Ta-dum, ta-da-da-dum. Ba-dum. Let's see. All right. What is happening? Why is it not going the way it should? It's just stopped here. We still have time from the kill zone, but this is getting annoying, right? Smart money concept by Lux Algo is a good indicator. Oh yeah, I have that too. Maggie, hey, good to have you here. So try to zoom this out and look for some targets. I like the bearish order block at 200, although it's a little bit higher. But, you know, taking liquidity, shifting structure, not bad, not bad. But it feels like this one wants to make a new low. There you go. 10 points, and it's gonna break. It's gonna go down to the break the 50s. I think. Look at that. I'm scared to jump in this one. I don't know where it's gonna stop. So careful. Hold on a second. It didn't really made a new low yet. See, 53. Now it does. Oh wow. And just like that, booyah. You know, with 1 single second, it cuts through this level, obliterating everyone who was holding some long positions. And that's it, you know. Stefan, hey. Morning. Have you a new indicator in the chart? Well, the only indicator I use as new one, and I think it's a very good one, is the fair value gap from Lux Algo. So if you just type in fair value gap, the one that's from Lux Algo, it's a very good one, a very decent. Helps me to save a lot of energy from these areas to draw it. So that's the only thing. And we have the VWAP up there. Otherwise, nothing special. These are lines I put there. Stop run, maybe. The thing is, I would not be surprised. We were talking about this earlier. So there was some accumulation phase here. And this one might be just continuing to go lower to 19K. You see, I would not be surprised. You know, 140 points for Nasdaq. It's nothing. It's nothing. Nasdaq can do it any moment if it wants to. ES also dropping. Yeah, good targets down there for ES. Let's see. In quant hours, there's also fair value gap. Oh, really? I didn't even know that. I didn't know that. That's good. That's brand new information. Look at this. Be careful with the longs here. We don't know if this is a falling knife or not. Gold is still holding its position, so nothing special about that. There is a bearish order block thingy on the 1 minute that could be interesting for future reference. I don't know. Going for a short. I'm not shorting. I'm not. It can bounce any moment. Nvidia straight down. Let me check. Ooh, wow. What the hell? It's because of the equity open, right? Straight down. Oh my god. And Tesla also. Boom. What the hell? The markets are bleeding. Guys, we're gonna go for 19,000. What the hell is going on? Nobody knows. Everybody is just, you know. Everybody is just going all over. This is a falling knife, guys. Especially after Nvidia is bleeding, Tesla is bleeding. We're going down. We're going down. Well, I just can't go short here. I just can't. I don't know. I can't do this. There was a gap on ES. It was reaching for yesterday and finally filled. Okay. So I'm just afraid that it can also just bounce. Like it can go a little bit here and then boom. And then, you know. I don't like that. The 100 level is holding for now. I don't think for too long after this this drop. What a drop on Nvidia and Nvidia. And the drop continues, maybe. It could be a little kind of predictable because 2 daily weightless bubbles short, runaway gap short. Yeah, maybe. Gonna wait. I'm not gonna go long. I'm not trusting this. I like that level up there, but guys, I don't know. Not my favorite level, that's for sure. We're about to retrace, yeah. Sitting on hands, guys. This is what we're doing now. Sitting on our hands. Yeah, the drop is, I mean comparing to other London sessions, it's definitely an interesting drop. Let me see the 5 minute. Yeah. It is an interesting drop. I'm not gonna go long here. Not for now. No. I just can't. It's too risky. Risk it for the biscuit. No, I don't. I'm not gonna take it. Sold too early. You know. It happens. Tesla recovered and Nvidia recovered a little bit. For our order block on left side, let me check. For our order block, I'm not saying it can't, but there's definitely some levels. For me, it's not an order block. I mean, not saying it's not, but it's not a perfect order block. I need the down close candle to take some liquidity. Let that be a fair value gap or a high, a swing high, or sorry, swing low. And I need a displacement candle to make it a better order block. But technically it can be, but you know, it can be. Technically it is. Maybe not the perfect one I'm looking for. But the 963 level down there is also good, below the 19K. And I do like this level, which is a 4-hour fair value gap. I'm gonna put that there too at 60. Whoa, look at that, baby. We're going. We are going. There's no stopping. Nasdaq said, no way, guys. I'm not stopping here. We want to go lower, so we will. That's what Nasdaq has to say about this. So 60.75 is the 4-hour fair value gap. going there. Thank you. Digging into 4-hour the block on the left side. I'm not sure. Maybe it's on the daily. Wants to move alone, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I can't jump into this train, guys. I just can't. By the way, it created a bearish order block on the 1 minute. So this right here, this fellow here, just became a bearish order block. Just saying. This just became a bearish order block. I'm in short, just don't know where to get out. Well, I would say the 60 level is a good target, maybe to take partials. You know, it's up to you. It can go for it, or before it goes, it might just going to retest the order block on the 1 minute. I don't know. There should be some profit taking at this level. Be careful. Be careful catching the falling knife. Nice. This is the time 99% people force a trade. Yes, so if I would jump in here to a short, it would go up. So I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna jump in. Burn myself a lot. So no. 65 is a good level. Yeah, some early profit taking around 65. That's a good level. Why not? I don't want to catch the falling knife. I want to ride it down. Well, the problem is it didn't really give a proper entry. But hey, if you have balls or anything, you know, just you can jump in anytime. Took 20 points. Hey, 20 points in a London session, I take it any day. Any day. There you go, 65. I take 20 points any day in a London session and move on with my day. You know, especially on a funded account, which I did. I made 20 points today with 1 mini on a funded account, and I closed it. That's it. I finished for the day with that account. I'm not touching it. No way. Yeah, but not working for trading. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's still not going for the 60. A little bit of a retracement. Let's see. The 30-second chart. What's happening here? That 93.50 level would be. Whoa, look at this. All right, I'm jumping into a scalp. This is just a scalp trade using a hard stop for power outage, obviously. Come on. It's obviously dangerous. Ready to close this. Okay, now go back up there, test that level, and take me out. Come on. Don't do this. You guys want to see some badass trades. The previous one was working out good. Okay, last chance. I was a little bit aggressive on this one. I'm targeting the bearish order block on the 1 minute. This is a 30-second chart. I was looking for a structure shift and a strong move. Come on. I might have to close it with a small loss here. Come on, just go up there. Come on. I know you want to. I know you want to. You want it. I know you want it. There you go. All right. Thank you. That's it. And that's how you scalp a few points. And by the way, it went back to the order block. So again, Dominic is the best. Dominic, you know it. These are the trades that we're looking for. How can you see Tesla futures? I mean, you just add the symbol stocks and you add Tesla, and that's it. So, and if you go to Tesla, for example, here, you can choose extended trading hours, and then you see everything. Do you like the algos? I do. I do. It's a joke. It's a joke. Yeah. But it's high volume is newer, yeah. Anyway. That was a nice scalp. Dun, 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 dun. Beautiful reaction for this order block again. It was a nice trade. I liked it. We're back to this 1 minute order block. Quick check on gold. All right, nothing special. Nothing special on gold for now. There's one more order block up there, but I don't know. Oh wow, look at this move. NQ is fast recovery. Repricing the 5-minute gap here. Also closing the 15-minute gap. How far can we go? That's the question. I have no idea. I still like the fact that there is an order block up there at 174. Long 91 tie stop. Hey, that's all. You're sitting in it. A good target is up there at the 70s. So I would be taking profit somewhere at 70. If I would be sitting in a long. Check the 5-minute, very interesting NQ. Oh yeah, it is. It is. I like that area. So I would target the 70s right now. I'm not in the trade. I don't know why. Lutefish, hey. Institutional order flow entry drill at the peak. And just let her drop like a bomb. I overlooked it. 3-year plan, you're out. But yeah, that's a good observation. Got 8 points from ES. That is great. $400 on your PA. Congratulations, and congratulations to anyone with the profits. That's a good job, Latza. Gratulálok. Good job. Next 26. Yeah, yeah. I'm actually also happy I made 400 unfunded. So, looking for more. It's a process, again, to try to build those accounts. But we'll be working on it. Today is also red. Oh yeah, red folder news. Let's check it. We're gonna have unemployment claims. So that's great. And tomorrow, nothing special. PCE. Okay, unemployment claims and GDP numbers coming out. We have some news at 8:30. Careful with the news, guys. I'm not gonna trade the news because that's gonna be a gamble. I know we did that a few times, but I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna. Maybe I'll see that. I have to think on it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to focus on my MyFundedFutures funded account too. I was still struggling to get to payout with that when I blew like 2 or 3 funded accounts. 3. Probably some earnings announcement. Yeah, look at that. We're going to the 70s here. There's no stopping. 43. This is madness. Or this is Sparta, who knows? I don't know. Look at that. It's going for the 70s. This is mental. And I'm not in the trade. This is absolutely mental. Why am I not in this trade? Anyway. I should be sitting in this trade. Should be going up, I think. Not sure. It's just going. Look at that. It's just going. There could be some profit taking at these levels. There's a 1 minute fair value gap down at 51. Careful with that. I think we're approaching 74 would be the final TP, but I think it's gonna go for the 70s, obviously. And yeah. Yeah. Could be. Could be going for it. Because it has to reach the 174 in that case. I'm thinking whatever else this PA is going, if I would at least feel the fair value go down. Yeah. Well, if price breaks a major 4-hour better order block above, then might change my mind. Yeah, understandable. V-shape recovery may go back, maybe. We don't know. Could be repricing some levels. Not sure about that. Gotta be careful, obviously. So, just be careful. There is a level up there at, I mean, this order block could be a level to go for, but it can also just, you know, go lower, like now, reprice the 1 minute gap, and then just stop there. So, mind the gap. But, you know, it can go and you know, spike into that order block. Anyway, looks good. High resistance liquidity run. It could be going down to the 50s before continuing higher. Careful with that. On rebalancing and manipulating, so trade only inside range. Yeah, that could be also a thing. So this one can be just trading the inside range here. Could be repricing all the way down to the 120 or the 10s, and then maybe go higher. Look at that, down to 150. Okay, one gap. Next stop is 34 on the 5 minute gap. This indicator is awesome. Saves me a lot of energy. 134. there. Careful with the longs. It might be repricing lower. Still looks like it wants to return to that bearish order block up here. But first I'd like to see it to take out the 134 before even considering to take anything on this. Do I have any orders? I hope not. Okay, I'm flat. I love trading. I don't know why. I just love trading. Trading is the best. Even if I lose, I love it. To figure that, I love to figure this thing out, where it goes. Catch you in the AM. All right, Ludafish. Thank you so much for joining the stream, and see you soon. Right. Actually, the London kill zone. Well, we still have some time, but that's the end of the kill zone. And I think after the kill zone, everybody, I mean, the market is going to be going sideways, focusing on the news. So the last place that it can go to should be up there in the order block. So I'm just curious. Will it go there or not? I mean, it's not that far away. Or is this just gonna go sideways here? Obviously, it has repriced some levels. Ciao Tang! Hey! What's going on? Nice day. Nice day to you too. Good to see you here. How was your yesterday? Hope you made some good profits. All right. So I'm just watching. If this one is gonna go too much sideways action, then it might just go into, you know, just, you know, stop like this or whatever. Look at that, and just like that, it's going up a little bit, not too much. Final target would be 174. Hold on. Low is 174. That would be the final target for this move, I think. I'm not in a trade, but I think 174 would be the level that it has to go to. And there you go. There you go. You know, I just have to tell Nasdaq where it should go, and it goes. That's it. I love trading. I wish I was in the trade though. Oh man, it is what it is. Hey, I love order blocks. What can I say? Think we are dropping. Maybe after this. I don't know. All goes well. You lost 2 trades. Hey, it's 2 trades. It's fine. You know, just move on. Holds, we go up and from order block. Yeah. So this order block, guys, I took a trade on this order block, and there was another one down there. I took a trade on this order block, and I didn't take a trade on this one. I don't know why. I should have. And it went there. So, guys, I like order blocks. You can say whatever you want. Intraday trading, order blocks are good targets. That's it. Push the like and subscribe. That's it. I couldn't ask for more. Even if I wasn't in the trade, I was still enjoying it, watching, playing it out. It's amazing. It's like art, I think. How price is behaving. Hey, John D. Good luck to you too. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. SP, hey, could you have seen the same thing with EMA, SMA, and VWAP? Yeah, I mean, I do have this EMA entry model, but you know, using the EMAs for entering is also a good thing. But so regardless of the moving averages or the VWAP, the order blocks I always see as potential targets. So for example here, I don't have the EMA on, but I'm not going to put it on right now. But I'm sure that at this point, the 9 and the 21 EMA should be congesting smaller or tightening up. And this could be a good entry to take out the order block. So yeah, I believe, absolutely. That's why if you go with an EMA entry model, which I also have, that helps you to identify trends and enter when you really have a good entry. But anyway, I don't see anything else in this kill zone right now, currently. Let's check on gold real quick. Nothing. This is not an order block. I was searching so much for order blocks. All I can see now is order blocks everywhere. I mean, not everywhere, but my eyes are instantly spotting the order blocks. This was not a perfect one, but it was one. Taking liquidity by repricing this liquidity void and rebalancing this price range, and then going down, changing structure to the downside. That actually became an order block, and this one too. And this one too, taking liquidity, shifting structure to the downside. Now this one is not, since this has already been repriced and This is why it's not an order block. So this one is not valid. But you know, also for scalping, but it's 207. Yeah, for 5 points, actually 5 points, you could have taken a short for this order block. I didn't, but this is also an order block there. So if you went short here for 5 points, that was a scalp. And look at this, boom. Next move would be to take out the high of the order block at 190. What is happening? Bum, 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 bum. I don't see anything, guys. Nothing that interests me. Might gonna take out the order block lower. No, this swing low. Nothing. Anyway, it's 10 minutes from the kill zone, so I don't really think I'm gonna put on more trades. So I think I'm gonna call it. It's been a 3-hour stream. Hey Keem, are you still using Fibonacci? Yes, I use it. But right now we were just scalping on the 1 minute. But yes, I use it on the 5 minute, definitely, and the 15 minute. Welcome, Keem. Good to see you. So I'm just gonna call it here, and I'm gonna be coming back for the New York session, maybe a little bit earlier. We'll see. I'll have to think about the news, and that's it. We had some good trades. We had some fun. Made profit on funded accounts. I do have to make a recap video because so many things happened. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you would like to support, use my codes. tomsabo works everywhere, and you know, best discounts going on right now. Don't sleep on the Bulenox 90%, and Take Profit Trader ends the no activation fee on Sunday, but the rest of the prop firms are good as well. Anyway, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Love you all, and see you soon in New York session. All right, take care, be safe. Cheers, everybody.